Why is it not getting that flat? Child, the thing done timed out.
Lord, have mercy. Nice.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. If this is your first time, baby, get comfortable, take your shoes off, stay a little while, because we are in my bathroom. And as you can see, you know what I'm saying, it's silk press season, baby. And if you were trying to see how I achieved this look, where Craig at? If you were trying to see how I achieved this look, just stick around. I just wanted to do like a quick little, you know what I'm saying, do my hair with me little situation, just so y'all can see how I achieved this, what I used, all of the above. I haven't had to do my hair, my own hair, in so long. So shout out to Nigel. I don't know how you be doing this day in and day out. It's a gift. It literally is a gift, because baby, I ain't got it. But yeah, so if you want to see how I silk press my hair for silk press season, just continue to watch in the video, and you already know we're gonna talk at the end. Okay, it is silk press season. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what I use. I'm gonna show you what I used. I got this from my local beauty supply. And this, oh, let me get this hair up off of here. I used the Mizani. Get up in there. It's the Butter Blend Sensitive Scalp Balanced Hair Bath and Butter Blend Perfecting Cream Conditioner. So I used that. I was gonna do a hold on, sorry, just putting it back. I was gonna use a protein treatment, because Nigel told me to get a protein treatment, but I had already conditioned my hair, and the protein thing said to do to put it on shampooed hair. So because I ain't trying to mess nothing up, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, move forward. So I saw this on TikTok, which is the Mizani Press Agent Thermal Smoothing Raincoat Styling Serum. So I'm gonna use that when I blow dry, and I'm gonna use that when I flat iron as well. So we're gonna see how this turned out. But I did have some shedding, which is normal for me. I always have shedding. I have a ton of hair. You probably can't tell because I got it all like put away, but I had some, what do YouTubers do? Had some shedding or whatever. But that is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to blow dry in just a second. And as soon as I find my blow dryer, tell us along. Okay. So all of my heat products that I'm going to be using, with the exception of my hot comb if I have to use it, is going to be T3. Everything is T3, from the blow dryer to the curl, well, to the flat iron, to the curling iron, or the curling wand, depending on what I feel like doing once I get it straight. But I think I might just go like straight, put a little volume, little body to it, and then keep it moving from there. So I'm gonna try, I don't know how to do time lapse on this camera, so if anything, I'll just speed up whatever I record, because I only got 32 minutes worth of filming on this card, and it's gonna take me way longer than 32 minutes to do my hair. So cue the montage.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
here like, so I'm flat ironing my hair, and I'm sitting here like, why is it not getting that flat? Child, the thing done timed out. It done went, that's how long it take me to flat iron my hair. It done timed out.
What does that mean? So it turned off?
Yeah, it turned off. I'm like, why is it not getting straight? Over here, like, it's still a little thick right there. Now I gotta do that section over. Yeah, so I'm like, what the heck? Okay. I'll be glad when I'm done. Okay, so that is all that I have for this video. I just want to get on here real quick because I told you I'm trying to be more consistent, show y'all some things, show y'all what I got going on. But yeah, so this is the hair. This is how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts, your feelings, all of the above. If you are a hair professional, don't give me no advice, just come do it. That's where I am with it, because I'm not a professional. I don't know nothing about doing no hair. I just know what I know. So if I did something that was like questionable, baby, just go with it. Just go with it, okay? But here we are. There we go. I switched my side. Normally my part is on the other side, but I have so much like breakage over on this side that I said, well, let's switch it up. I mean, I'm switching up everything else in my life, so why not just switch up my hair, you know, switch up my part. So I might look completely different the next time you see me. We don't know. We'll see how long this lasts. It's supposed to be somewhat warm, so I don't know, but I just want to show y'all, like, this is where we are. I don't know if I need my ends clipped, so I did a little bumpity bump at the end. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me in my bathroom. I'm finna turn this fan on because it's hot in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this video so I can get it out to y'all. Don't pay no attention. This is my hair washing shirt. So just don't pay attention to anything, okay? I'm just get real close to it, y'all ain't gotta see it. But yeah, my scalp is scalping. I don't know if y'all saw, but it gets a little like dry or whatever. So if you do have any recommendations for a dry scalp, please let your girl know, because I will listen to that, because my skin has been skinning, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head up out of here. So I'll see y'all first of all in the comments, and second of all in the next video. See you next time.